Hello, my name is Malcolm Johnson. I've worked for Genzyme since 1981 in the UK. Henry Blair was a biochemical entrepreneur working out of Tufts University in Boston. He had a contract with the NIH to supply Roscoe Brady with crude glucoceoperoxidase, which was being developed for the treatment of Gaucher disease. Now, when Henry Blair explained to us in our first all-staff meeting in a porter cabin just outside Maidstone, where about 30 of us were all crammed in, listening intently to this American who had this vision. His vision was to create a healthcare company that was aimed at meeting unmet medical needs, which sounded absolutely fantastic and really motivational. But I had no idea what that really meant until 1996, when I was in a position where I was asked to attend a meeting at the Great Ormond Street, at a hotel just around the corner, where Ashok Velody was hosting a family conference for Gaucher type 3 patients. It was then that I realized exactly what was going on with the products that we were producing. It was just a vial of liquid initially, and I had no idea what it was for. But suddenly it became very apparent, and it really motivated me. Shortly after that, I was promoted up to the Vice President and General Manager of Therapeutics in the UK, where I could become really closely involved with trying to do our best to meet patients' needs. I started working with the Patient Association, with Susan Lewis and Jeremy Manuel in particular, and then ultimately Tanya Collins-Histed. I have tremendous respect for these guys. The amount of effort and the commitment that they have is astounding. I became involved in some of the humanitarian aid programs and the initial setup of the EGA. Now, to see now the developments within that organization is tremendous. And now with going global, I wish you all well. I have deep respect for what you're doing. The treatments for the future, gene therapy is probably on the horizon. Not quite sure how far that is going to be away, but we hope for the benefit of all that the sooner these treatments are cracked under the gene therapy regime, the better for all. Now, we're going into the World Recognition Day in October, and I think that the more people are aware of what can be done by so few in treating rare diseases is a great recognition to all. We at Sanofi Genzyme continue to support you. We always will, and we look to you for your lead. We wish you well. Thank you. Bye.